Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. HEROMOTOCorp surged 3.42% and is now just 1% away from its 52-week high. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll find out which stocks moved, the reasons behind those moves, and tomorrow's important price levels. Nifty closed at 24,317 rupees 15, up 0.28%, after opening at 24,249 rupees 55, hitting a high of 24,342 rupees 95, and a low of 24,187 rupees 1. Previous close was 24,250 rupees 2. Momentum indicators show RSI at 63.1 neutral, while the short-term EMA9 at 24,109 rupees sits above EMA20 at 24,075 rupees, signaling a mild short-term bullish tilt. Volume prints at 0, the 20-day average, so activity was basically normal. Immediate resistance sits near 24,367 rupees and support near 24,011 rupees. Nifty remains within 0.9% of its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2, so that area still acts as a strong historical resistance zone. One multi-day observation. HEROMOTOCorp is roughly 1% from its 52-week high, a level last seen 60 sessions ago that proximity is influencing sentiment across the index. Quick zinger, Nifty edged up like someone politely applauding at a meeting, enthusiastic, but not rowdy. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments, I read everyone. HEROMOTOCorp opened at 5168 rupees 8 and closed at 5325 rupees 0, up 3.42%, with an intraday high of 5353 rupees 6 and a low of 5161 rupees 0. Previous close was 5149 rupees 1. The clear market signal today was institutional conviction volume was 2.08, the 20-day average, and the stock posted a 20-day closing high breakout, pushing it into price discovery territory. Technically, RSI at 80.5 flags overbought conditions, while EMA9 at 5096 rupees sits above EMA20 at 4994 rupees, showing a short-term bullish trend. The key level to watch tomorrow is whether it can hold above support near 4899 rupees and resist around 5354 rupees. That will tell you if momentum can continue. And the joke, with RSI at 80.5, HEROMOTOCorp sounded more like a stadium cheer than a quiet rally. The chart is loud today. Smoothly moving on to the next surprise. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Coal India opened at 412 rupees 95 and finished at 417 rupees 2, up 1.74%, with a high of 418 rupees 3 and a low of 410 rupees 1. Previous close was 410 rupees 05. There was no single news trigger in the sheet. Instead, the move looks driven by heavy trading. Volume printed at 4.07, the 20-day average, which screams institutional activity. Yet the short-term picture is mixed. EMA9 at 421 rupees sits below EMA20 at 427 rupees, so the short-term trend is slightly bearish, and RSI at 35.8 is neutral leaning. Watch the support at 406 rupees and resistance at 431 rupees tomorrow, holding above 406 rupees or a push through 431 rupees will change the intraday narrative. And the dry joke. Coal India had volume like someone lit a bonfire, lots of heat, so watch where the ashes settle. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Mahindra and Mahindra opened at 3220 rupees 0 and closed at 3283 rupees 7, up 1.92%, with an intraday high of 3327 rupees 0 and a low of 3197 rupees 5. Previous close was 3221 rupees 8. The move looks backed by heavier than usual participation. Volume was 2.1, the 20-day average, and the short-term EMA9 at 3220 rupees sits above EMA20 at 3178 rupees, indicating bullishness. RSI at 63.7 is neutral to warm, and the stock sits within 2.4% of its 52-week high, so that resistance zone is relevant. The key level to watch is the resistance around 33.27 rupees and support near 31.35 rupees. If price respects the support or tests resistance decisively, that will shape the next session. Dry quip, M&M flirted with its highs today like someone checking their reflection confident, but still shy. This is what the data shows. Always do your own research before acting. Today's theme: selective strength led by HEROMOTOCorp and steady interest in large caps, while activity spikes in Coal India signaled heavy hands trading. Watch two things tomorrow: whether HEROMOTOCorp can hold above its new shorter-term support near 48.99 rupees, and if Nifty can clear resistance at 24,367 rupees to keep the mild bullish trend intact. If you found this useful, please like, comment the stock on your watch list, and subscribe for more concise market breakdowns. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.